Oh my god, it's for real?
Yeah.
It's so sad. Please change it. Please, Korean government, change it. Hi, 안녕하세요. 저는 이스라엘에서 온 너리라고 합니다. 한국에 온 지 2년 됐어요. I went to the military in Israel for 2 years. I've been to one war. I've been to many terror attacks. I was a sergeant of operation in the Jordan border in the Jordan Valley in Israel. We are in Israel, we go to the military because it's mandatory first. Since we are really young, our parents kind of telling us war stories. Even when you eat, it's kind of like, oh, eat a lot, you're going to be a soldier, you need to be strong. They kind of preparing you for these things since you're really, really young, but not in a bad way, in kind of like really proud and kind of like make you really want to try it. When we come to the age of 18, we need to join the military, 100% mandatory, and all of us, men and women. Israel service for girls is 2 years. This is like the regular service. Men's service, that is 3 years. I think this, like lately, it's been shortened in like 2 months or 3 months, but this is like basically the big like 2 years, 3 years for women and men. If you like transfer into military job, then of course you can do like years over years, but basically this is the regular like service you need to do. Basically we get kind of benefits from the government. So basically the first thing that will help us kind of step into adulthood, what like this is the name of it, I think. They are giving you like this amount of money that is staying in the government for marriage, for opening a business or for studying, that only for those reasons you can use, and then another kind of pocket money, we can call it like this, to kind of that is going straight to your bank account and you can use it however you want. So basically those are really good amount to start your university life or your like citizen life right after you finished. So I guess like it's a really good thing. 그때 300만 원? 300만 원 정도? This is for my bank account. The saving, there is saving account, 700만 원. Actually, this money gave me the opportunity to pay for my university, at least for the first 2 years. Because we do not get a lot of money when we serve, we get like I think it's around like $300 or $200 a month. So we don't have these big amounts to go and start our life with when we finish. So that was good enough for me to start new life, we can call it. And then in Israel, we have the local insurance, of medical insurance. So we get kind of benefit for 1 year not paying it after the military until you find a job, until you're stable, until like you kind of find yourself. And one more thing that I remember from my service, 2 months before I ended, we have like kind of big exhibition of working places, of universities, like all of your rights. They kind of let you know all of your rights over there. The government basically help you find really good jobs for now and like really pushing you to go to universities, like really good ones, and you can apply there, and they give you, if you need like question for what am I going to do right now, like how should I pay those like taxes or like I don't know, like anything involving with health, they give you all of the information there. So they really make sure that you are going out and you are ready for starting your life. So I think it's a really good thing. I'm really proud that I served, and I'm happy that I got all the benefits when I finished, even though it was really, really hard. There are of course people who can't go because of like medical issues or they're really, really religious. Then those people are not joining the military. They can choose between doing like some kind of civil service that is in like kind of government offices for 1 year, or just don't do it. Like they can go out of it, but if you do not give any service to your country, then afterwards when you will go to interviews or at some really big companies, or if you will want to do some important big things, then because you didn't do the military, they will not look at you that good. Like your image will not be that good. If, for example, you will go to an interview and you will have the same resume that the other candidate have, but you didn't do the military, then of course they will take the one with the military. This is how important it is, like in Israel, the military service.
What do you think about Korean soldier Paro? Not money, any money.
It's for real?
Yeah.
They don't get anything. It's so sad. Oh my god. I think that they should get something. Country need to give them something to begin their life with. Now you served 2 years. You were outside the market for 2 years, and it's not that good thing. So you need something to start with. Oh, you don't get anything? Oh, how can they survive then? Please change it. Please, Korean government, change it.
Movie discount? 부동산 할인 정도?
Okay, I think this is kind of awkward. Like we have the same thing, but it's like kind of we have this and many more. It's not only this. Please change it, please. Okay, so I think like the Korean doesn't get anything, and I feel like so, oh my god, I'm so shocked. Like I didn't even know that they do not get anything when they get discharged from the military. I just got the news right now together with you. So what do you think about it? About the Israeli benefits and the Korean benefits? Leave a comment below and please subscribe, and bye bye.